How to sign up or create an account on Duolingo. First, open up your Duolingo app. Tap on Get Started. Click Continue and choose the language you would like to learn. I have selected Spanish for now. Select how you heard about Duolingo, how much you know about the language you chose, and the purpose of learning this language. Now pick your goal and continue. Depending on how much you know about the language, you can select whether you are learning that language for the first time or already know something about it. Now, you need to complete a small quiz and continue. This might take a minute, so I'm going to speed this up. After completing the quiz, you can now create your account. Enter your age, name, and email address. Create a strong password you will remember. You have now successfully created an account in Duolingo.